Blizzard Network Price Prediction 2023, 2025, 2030, BLIZZ Cryptocurrency Price Prediction. Blizzard Network Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Blizzard Network is $0.00091794 and BLIZZ is currently ranked 2,572 in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Blizzard Network is 540,000 with a market cap of $496. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by -2.99% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the BLIZZ with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. From last 7 days the BLIZZ was in good upward trend and increased by 34.97%. Blizzard Network has shown very strong potential lately and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. Blizzard Network, BLIZZ, Price Prediction/Forecast for 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. Blizzard Network Price Prediction 2023. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2023 the price of Blizzard Network is expected to reach at a minimum price value of $0.001. The BLIZZ price can reach a maximum price value of $0.002 with the average value of $0.001. Blizzard Network Price Prediction 2024. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of BLIZZ, in 2024 the price of Blizzard Network is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of $0.002. The Blizzard Network price value can reach a maximum of $0.002 with the average trading value of $0.002 in USD. BLIZZ price forecast for 2025. The price of Blizzard Network is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.003 in 2025. The Blizzard Network price could reach a maximum value of $0.003 with the average trading price of $0.003 throughout 2025. Blizzard Network, BLIZZ, Price Prediction 2026. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2026 the price of Blizzard Network is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.004. The BLIZZ price can reach a maximum level of $0.005 with the average trading price of $0.004. Blizzard Network Price Prediction 2027. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of BLIZZ, in 2027 the price of Blizzard Network is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.006. The BLIZZ price can reach a maximum level of $0.007 with the average trading price of $0.006. Blizzard Network Price Prediction 2028. Blizzard Network price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.008 in 2028. As per our findings, the BLIZZ price could reach a maximum possible level of $0.010 with the average forecast price of $0.008. Blizzard Network, BLIZZ, Price Prediction 2029. The price of Blizzard Network is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.012 in 2029. The Blizzard Network price can reach a maximum level of $0.014 with the average price of $0.012 throughout 2029. Blizzard Network Price Forecast 2030. The price of one Blizzard Network is expected to reach at a minimum level of $0.017 in 2030. The BLIZZ price can reach a maximum level of $0.020 with the average price of $0.017 throughout 2030. Blizzard Network, BLIZZ, Price Prediction 2031. Blizzard Network price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.025 in 2031. As per our findings, the BLIZZ price could reach a maximum possible level of $0.029 with the average forecast price of $0.025. Blizzard Network Price Prediction 2032. The price of Blizzard Network is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.037 in 2032. The Blizzard Network price could reach a maximum value of $0.042 with the average trading price of $0.038 throughout 2032.